Good morning, I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Happy Thursday. We are looking at some beautiful blue skies, some sunshine. So far, it looks like a nice day until you step outside and it's a little chilly. And as we move along this morning, it's actually going to feel colder and colder, even with temperatures actually climbing at least a few degrees, but we're only going to top out around 40 degrees. And what the big deal today, the big issue is going to be the wind. We have a lot of wind, and April's known for it. It is on average the windiest month, and this is a great example of that. In fact, parts of the area have a wind advisory that take effect in just a handful of minutes, just a few minutes before 9 right now, as I'm doing this live broadcast, looking south down Vandal Road live with our Lewiston Auto camera. Here in Rochester, we are in the 30s right now, topping out around 40 degrees, but again, the wind is the big story today. Don't be surprised if you see some showers pop up here and there. Such a pristine looking day so far, but we have some changes ahead, and the weekend will not feature much sunshine, unfortunately. It's looking kind of like kind of a sloppy Easter, not such a nice one. So I wish I had better news there. I wish we could go back to those warmer days. I harkened back to the 60s we had earlier this week. We will not see 60 for quite some time, unfortunately. Right now, looking outside from the studio, again, temperatures 30s. A couple degrees cooler than typical for this time of the year so far. But the thing is, today is just the lack of a warm-up is really going to be the issue today. 33 in Rochester, 35 Osage, Decorah, now 38 degrees. It feels like 22. The wind's 17 miles per hour, so beginning to get a little breezy. Give it a couple of hours. We're going to be seeing those gusts begin to reach around 30 to 40 miles per hour. Top gust today, most likely more than 45 miles per hour. So day planner, some sun at first. By 11, 12 o'clock, we begin to see those light rain showers, perhaps at times mixing with sleet or some light snow. Just cold air aloft. A lot of instability showers popping up from time to time. In between those showers, some sunshine. But just enough instability also that we may see a little lightning here and there, some of those midday and early afternoon storms. And we may have a situation where we have sleet storms, thunderstorms producing sleet, just that type of early spring event environment for this. Wind advisory, North Iowa is in it, 9 until this evening. In fact, I believe that is 7 o'clock is the expiration of that. I should adjust that, but we have winds up to 45 miles per hour. Gusts on the way, as well as some light snow. We're looking at a couple of snow showers that will arrive between 10 and 11 o'clock across the map, lasting through the midday hours, and most likely really tapering off late in the afternoon as we begin to lose that daytime heating as those showers begin to weaken a little bit. But looking at the temperature profile, 30s topping out around 40, around 4 o'clock, and then easing back to the 30s, eventually mid-20s tonight. And even though the winds will be lighter after sunset, we're still going to have wind chills in the teens overnight tonight. It's a cold stretch of weather, but windy today with some rain and snow showers. Cool tomorrow, less wind, more sun, and no rain chances. Tomorrow is not a bad Good Friday, we'll put it that way, and then a showery Easter. Here is Futurecast looking at the showers rotating around a storm system that's east of us. We had that move through yesterday, and out behind it, some gusty winds and these little showers through about sunset. Lighter winds tonight, and then tomorrow, a fairly tame west breeze around 10 to 15 miles per hour, highs in the mid-40s. Clouds gather tomorrow night, and then watch the rain move in from the northwest. That will impact our Saturday, off and on rain showers. Going into Sunday, we begin to see cold air on the back of that weekend system come in, and that may transition things to a snow event at times, grassy accumulation. So trace amount of snow today, but looking ahead at Saturday night into Sunday, by Sunday evening, here's how much snow we may end up with: 2 to 4 inches, mostly grassy surfaces. That much snow on the ground. We may see a little something on the pavement. But temperatures, again, mainly upper 30s and low 40s, so a lot of it melting on contact, but I do expect there to be at least some accumulation on rooftops and some of the grassy surfaces, elevated surfaces, gardens, things like that. And then going into Monday, a little more. Some snow showers wrapping around behind that departing system, and it's going to be an even windier day on Monday with highs only in the 30s, wind chills teens and 20s, so that is going to be a nasty day as well. And Mondays are nasty enough, but this Monday is going to be probably the least pleasant day of the month, maybe so far. 40 degrees Rochester today for our Thursday, 41 Mason City. Rain and snow showers, gusty winds, occasional sun, and maybe even a clap of thunder here and there. Tonight, clear skies, 27, wind chills in the teens and low 20s. And then tomorrow, fairly lighter breeze, partly sunny, 45 for your Good Friday. 7-day forecast, all those days below average, especially next week, almost 20 degrees below average, 30s for most of next week. That was rain Saturday. A little snow mixes in for parts of Sunday, and just a couple of very light snow showers on Monday. In the meantime, try to stay warm and dry today. Have a great Thursday. We'll see you right back here tomorrow for Good Friday.